In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound issue on your Android phone. It's really frustrating when your phone suddenly has no sound, but don't worry, we've got several methods you can try. First, open your Settings app. Next, tap Bluetooth and make sure you're not connected to any Bluetooth device that might be taking over the audio output. To be sure, you can simply turn Bluetooth off and check if the sound starts working again. If that doesn't fix it, go back to Settings, then tap Sounds and Vibration. At the top, you'll see options like Sound, Vibrate, and Mute. Make sure it's set to Sound. You can also open Volume and adjust the sliders for media, notifications, and system sounds. If one of them is all the way down, drag it up. You can also enable Use Volume keys for media, so your physical buttons always adjust your media volume directly. Still no sound? Try restarting your device. Hold down the power button or power and volume down on some models. Tap Restart and confirm. After your phone restarts, test the sound again. If the issue continues, try playing sound in different apps. For example, YouTube, Spotify, or your phone's ringtone. It could be that one specific app is muted or has its own sound settings turned off. And that's it. By checking Bluetooth, sound settings, and app volume controls, you should be able to fix most sound problems on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorial updates. Thanks for watching.